Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by narrowing choices. Pick 3-5 colors and sizes so each color has a clear meaning. Once done, designate one area for drafting and another for final placement. Use fine-tip pens for notes and a marker for headers. This prevents bleed and keeps text legible. Make sure to remove old notes and wipe the surface so adhesion is reliable. Now place a test note to confirm stickiness and color contrast before committing to multiple rows or clusters. You now build the system. Assign each color a category and write concise headers so you recognize them at a glance. Once assigned, create a visual structure: grid for tasks, timeline for schedules, clusters for ideas, and stick notes in columns or rows to show progress. Make sure to leave breathing space between notes so you can add connectors or arrows. Use adhesive edges on top or side, depending on whether you want notes to be movable or to stay fixed. You finish by reviewing and updating. Perform a quick daily sweep to move notes forward, archive completed items, and swap colors if priorities change. Once complete, photograph the board for a snapshot and maintain a simple legend so others understand your code. If notes start lifting or curling, press the adhesive edge firmly or replace them. For critical items, reinforce with a small piece of clear tape. Make sure to refresh colors and purge outdated notes weekly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.